Have you ever had or know someone who had an ingrown nail? Did you know you can treat ingrown nails at home? In today's video, you will see 3 ways of treating your nails at home. Ingrown nails can happen for different reasons, but the most common is cutting your nails wrong, facilitating an abnormal growth under the skin, causing intense pain. Other causes for ingrown nails include stubbing your toe, which can deform the nail and make it grow under the skin. Using tight shoes that crowd your toes, facilitating your nails to grow under the skin. Small toes. In some people, the toenails can overgrow the toes, which forces the nail under the skin. Also, ingrown nails are more common in people with a malformation in nails or feet. In this case, it is best to take extra care when cutting your nails to avoid these issues. At the end of this video, we will talk about the right way of cutting your nails to avoid ingrown nails. But for now, let's see some natural medicines to use. Apple cider vinegar. This ingredient is anti-inflammatory, preventing inflammation and alleviating pain and swelling around the nails. The natural acids of apple cider vinegar reestablish the pH of the skin, accelerating the healing process. Pour a cup of apple cider vinegar into a basin of warm water and soak your feet for half an hour. You can also use a cotton pad soaked in vinegar directly and apply it over your nail. Do it every day until you get the desired results. Garlic. Garlic has sulfur compounds that act against inflammation and pain caused by the ingrown nail. It is also a fungicide, antiviral, and antibiotic, helping prevent infections in the affected area. Mash a garlic clove and apply it over the affected nail, then cover with a Band-Aid or plaster. If you want, you can also combine garlic with some olive oil to potentialize its hydrating and healing effects. Let it act for at least 4 hours, then rinse with cold running water. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide has disinfecting and antiseptic action, lessening and repairing the skin around the ingrown nail. It also helps lessen the pain and avoids infection by bacteria and fungi. Warm 1 quart of water in a basin, then add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide and mix. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, then dry. Repeat this treatment every day until you get the desired results. For these treatments to have results, you need to cut and file your nails square. If the infection persists, see a health professional as soon as possible. Talk to a dermatologist, podiatrist, orthopedist, or general practitioner. But how do you cut your toenails correctly to avoid ingrowth? Cut your nails in a straight line and avoid the corners, since they help guide the toenails during growth and stop them from going under the skin. Make sure you don't cut your nails too short, as it increases the risk of your nails folding and penetrating the skin. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.